Today, today we'll be doing an installation. So we're about to start. Let me show you the panels. Alright guys, these are the panels we'll be installing. They are 420 watts each. This is if I again. Fine one mama. Alright, so we're ready for another installation. This is our back. We got a drilling machine, a tape, some cables and pliers, and you can see over there that's the former panel we used for Gafide. So we're doing the 4 new ones here across. And then by the end of the day, the sun's up. Alright, let's go.